talk about the loophole utilization against the intent of that kind of a legal opinion, which has
Sure.
really dominated throughout our state, right? In our local
Right now,
Connecticut.
there's no definition in Connecticut law of what a group home is. It's undefined. So if it barks like a dog and and talks like a bird, you've got something going. But right now there's no actual definition. So this intends to add that definition. As Representative Devlin said, the idea of a group home is you go to school, you come back home. You go shopping, you come back home. You go to your job, you come back home. So we sort of know what it is, but it's never actually been defined. So this would add some meat to just what we on a common sense basis know what a group home is, but it's not defined in the law. And in as much as it's not defined, these operators are coming in around the fringe and trying to pretend they're group homes, but they're not. These people are there. The people are there from 30 to 120 days, paying $1,000 a day, and every day there's treatment being provided. There's various therapists coming in and the like. It's a treatment facility. It's not a home. Nothing in this bill and nothing in what we've spoken about that would prohibit these entities from operating medical treatment facilities. The only thing we're dealing with really is the zoning, where they can do this. And as Representative Devlin said, it's like having an ice cream shop or a gas station. So it's unfair to the residents of the state to buy in a residential neighborhood and have somebody open a gas station next door. It's not zoned for that. Similarly here, the idea is that everybody has to abide by zoning laws, except if there's an exception. And by law, group homes have an exception. And we're actually protecting that. As you heard, a neighbor of ours who has a child with special needs wants to turn their house into a group home. If these make-believe entities come in as group homes, it limits the number of legitimate group homes there can be. Right now, there's a rule that you can't have more than, I think, 0.01% of your population in group homes, and they can't be more than, I think they have to be at least 1,500 feet apart. So by allowing these operators to pretend they're group homes, the real group homes are banned from operating where they should. So